Where up your son name? Bunchy?
No, man.
What up your son name?
You're not thick badan.
Where?
Thick badan. Then they.
Thick bottom?
Yeah, man.
Oh.
But you're not in under the button.
You mean we don't at the bottom?
Yeah.
Me no remember.
Me bounty, you have to move back down there, man.
Oh, when the yam start to come up.
Yeah.
Me understand.
And then that PACKO.
Oh.
And then Tondo.
Oh.
Yeah,
Yeah, man, the farm nice, man. Farm nice, brother, your plant.
Yeah.
Cheers, licky buckle together. Ah! Yeah! Trust me, see boss, eh? I mean, man, the boss, I make a drink too, you know. And what is going on? As you can see, yeah, because I can't get too close to these guys, you know what I mean? Yeah, the bee's hive. As you can see, yeah.
Jamaican farmers hot.
Jamaican farmers hut.
Ready, we ready and a gone, we gone. We a plant pumpkin and we a plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut. As you can see behind me here, some beeswax. All right, I'm at a place called Red Hill Road. Yeah, as you can see, I'm coming way down that gully there, you know, so I'm very much tired. But right about now, going to check out the bees, man, right now. Seen? All right, so stick around with viewers. See what's coming next. Yes, my viewers, it's all about bees. Right, it's up. We can't get into vaccine. I want the rat, did you say? Yeah, my viewers. John, I'm afraid I bees them still there. Yeah, my viewers. It's all about honey, you know? I don't know. I and I don't use sugar. I and I use honey. So I have to see what's going on here with these bees here. Alright, so I'm gonna zoom in and give you a closer look on what is going on. As you can see, yeah, because I can't get too close to these guys, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's all about bees. My God, I don't want any gang me, you know. Don't want any gang me. Look, my viewers, it's all about bees. Yeah, it's all about bees, my viewers. Yeah, there's a lot of bees box here. It's all about honey. Yeah, my viewers. Whoa, one just pitch palm me on, you know. My finger, you know, how kind of thing them I deal with? Yeah, my viewers. I'm gonna show you a whole box here. Lord have mercy. Second I want the flame, I want to go near. I'm gonna show you a whole box here. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah. Alright. So yes, my viewers. It's all about bees. We got the bees hive here. Yeah. Can go across? Yeah, Ted. Whoa. Show you a next. Couple next. What you call this again? Frames. Oh, the frames where the honey, the cone making. Oh, whole frames, yeah, whole frames. Yeah, as you can see, some whole cone is on it. Yeah, it's all about bees. It's all about honey, my viewers. Over here is very busy. I don't want to go any nearer. These guys are very hungry. You know what I mean? So, not going any closer. So, yes, my viewers, it's all about honey. Yeah? So, ain't going any closer. Might go down the bottom here, but not any closer. Yes, my viewers, bees, honey. Yeah. Have to have on your mask to go closer, you know what I mean? As you can see, the guys them flying around. Take a look here. Yeah. Yeah, man. Trust me. So yes, my viewers, it's all about honey. So we don't deal with sugar, we deal with honey. Alright? Alright, we're going back down to the next calmer side. because this side is very hot. Yeah, this side is very hot. We're in the hills of Red Hill Road. Yeah, the guy is checking, make sure everything is all right. And bees is flying all around. Yeah, my God, trust me. It's all about bees. It's the first I come near bees box. Yeah. My God, I'm so afraid. No, sir. Two fly after my belly a while ago. I come right now them house. I can't do a thing like that. If you come in them house, come trouble them. Yeah, my viewers, it's all about honey. And I don't use sugar, you know, so I have to come at the honey base where the honey make. You know what I mean? So yes, Jamaican Farmers Hut. It's all about bees this morning. Yeah, the bees hive. As you can see. Yeah. Whoa, this is too near. This is too near. Yeah, my viewers. So yes, my viewers, it's all about honey. Alright. This is a whole box here. Oh, whoa. This box live? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, no, bees is not. I think this is a house for rent. So any bees gonna come in lately? Yeah. This is the the upstairs and downstairs house for them, alright? So yes, my viewers, it's all about bees, it's all about honey. You know? Don't use any sugar. You use honey to sweeten the tea, alright? So I come right in the honey farm. Yeah. So as you can see, in the hills and valleys of Red Hill Road. As you can see down the acres there, yeah. Hyde Clarkstown way ahead. Yes, my viewers. I tell you, I love the hills and valley, my viewers, yeah. As a long time, old time farmer. Alright. I'm here with some Search Me Heart bush. This is the bush they call Search Me Heart. Alright? Search Me Heart. It have a nice smell. It's good to make tea. When you drink this bush, it search your heart. Alright? Make you healthy. So yes, I'm gonna broke some of this limb right now to carry with me. Love the hills and valleys, you know. But trust me, beat out and tired. Beat out and tired. But yeah, I'm getting there, you know what I mean? So yes, my viewers, stay tuned to the channel. There's a lot more to come. So you know that houses was here. Yes, my viewers, hills and valley have the plantation. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah, man. Hills and valley have the plantation, my viewers. It's a rocky road, as what the songwriter would said. You know? Yeah. Plantation, coconut trees very tall. Alright? Yes, my viewers, the moment we have been waiting for. I'm gonna view a guy in his plantation, and trust me, this guy can't go to the job site. He can't go with a job letter because he don't speak the language that we speak. But trust me, he's a very hard-working person. Very hard-working guy. You know what I mean? Kind of laps up car, tired, come through the hills and the valleys. But trust me, my viewers, stick around to see what's coming next. I'm gonna introduce this guy to you. Stick around, alright? Yes, my viewers, this is the moment we have been waiting for. Here I'm gonna introduce you to the guy for the farm. He's a very hard-working guy, you know? Yeah, he have more than one farm, you know what I mean? So before, as I tell you, you don't speak the language that we speak, so you have to work very hard. So we have to do the best we can to make sure he's okay, alright? Yes, my viewers, as you can see, he dig his own yam bank. Yeah. He plant his own yam. Yeah. His name is Val. He goes by the name PACKO Mike. So yes, my viewers, as you can see, there's red peas. Yeah. Yellow yam. As I tell you before, he don't speak the language that we speak. So we have to do the best we can to make sure he's okay. All right. So yes, it's my friend from a long time. You know, always been with him. So I'm going through his ground now. Don't worry. I'm going to introduce you to him. Let you see who I'm talking about. As you can see, there's some potato here. Also, we have black banana here. We have black banana here, my viewers. Black banana. I'm going closer to show you. Black banana, if you ever see. Black or purple, but we call it black banana here in Jamaica. It look more like purple. I need to see it properly, so yeah. Yeah, my viewers. That's it. Alright. We call it black banana here, but it look purple. So yes, my viewers, I'm going to introduce you to Val, otherwise known as PACKO Mike. Alright? As you can hear the name. And if you don't understand, we can interpret him. Alright? To let you know what's going on. Yeah. Yes, Val. Yeah. Your time now, know what's going on. Make I introduce you to the people. Yes, my viewers. Yeah, this is Val.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, otherwise known as PACKO Mike.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, how long you have been farming, Val?
A young time in a barney, mother.
Oh, you mean like 10 years now?
Yeah, man, 10 years, none.
Okay, so you dig all these banks?
Yeah.
Plant all these yam?
Yeah, man.
My God, you're doing good, Val. So, so like when you're reaping yam, you sell it to the truck?
Yeah, man, me tell it up though.
Okay, that's good, man, that's good.
Yeah.
So you can make a money same way, you know?
Yeah, man.
For real.
Yeah, come out, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, he's showing the yam coming up. Alright, my viewers, you see that? Yes. That is PACKO Mike yam coming up. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
This guy is a farmer.
Yeah.
What is the this is yellow yam, right?
Yeah, man, yeah, yonder.
And this one is what? Renter?
Yender.
Renter. You hear that?
Yeah. Afu tida.
Afu.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, afu different from yellow yam?
Yeah, man. See, yeah.
Okay, afu yam.
Afu yam, then they too.
Okay, so like when you come on the farm, you don't cook?
I mean, man, me company bar, man, me took, man.
So you put on the pot?
I mean, are you there?
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. This yam, what is the name of this purple yam? This is look like Sylvincent or sweet yam or something.
Yeah, man, Tim been do that.
St. Vincent, right. St. Vincent. This one is also St. Vincent.
Yeah.
Yeah, me understand.
And tida no hafu.
Hafu?
Yeah.
Oh, this is hafu.
Yeah.
Okay. So how far you have the pot?
Me have to back you now.
Or you not put on the pot yet?
Me have to back you on Ponty.
Oh, run at the other ground?
Yeah.
Okay, so when I leave here, where are we going?
Are you na here? That's all me have to.
Okay. So what else you have to do here now?
Time me at it. And time PACKO no me up. Then don't tick.
Oh, you tick them?
Yeah.
So you cut the tick them already?
No, me not talk them yet, but me talk some.
Oh, you cut some?
Yeah, but I know you right. Yeah.
Oh, me understand, Val. Me understand.
Guy then go talk down.
Yeah. Yeah, man, we have to go help people on the farm one idea, man.
Yeah, what?
What you mean, man, and cook some food?
What you mean?
Mm-hmm.
Knocking there too.
Yeah.
Yeah,
For real, man. For real, Val. So what time you going to leave the plantation?
Huh?
We are evening before you leave the plantation?
Yeah, man.
You leave the farm? Okay. So you dig them bank here lately?
Yeah, man.
Okay. Alright, Val. Why, Val, you are going good, you better than me, because me no plant but no yams this year. Yeah, man, you better than me, Val, trust me. Glad to see how you are going, you know? Yeah, man.
Yeah, you mean, man. No.
So when you come on the farm, you carry the two dogs them with you?
Yeah, man.
Them seems too bad though, because you tie them up.
Yeah.
My God. Yeah, them is the security.
Yeah. I'm out to here at the farm.
Oh, but me can't pass it. Oh, you carry dog them with you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not to here at the farm.
Okay. Free that dog them, Val.
Yeah, man.
Hold them no make them get way though.
No, man.
Bad dog, you know. Alright, puppy. I'm a friend. Can't rush me like that.
I'm out to here at the farm.
Yeah. Yeah, me understand. What them name? They don't have no name?
No.
Oh, you forget them name, man.
Yeah, man. Keep on. The property.
Wally me know him bad. Wally me him bad. He say not like see camera. Yeah, are you farm this again?
Yeah, man.
Yes, Val. How you mean?
Give me bandit.
Yeah.
Property.
Yeah, for your property this.
Yeah.
How you mean, man? For real, man. Alright, viewers, we're going to check out the next farm.
Yeah, man.
We're going down to the next farm.
Yeah. Yando. Yando. Go on.
We are going down at the next farm, Lando. We're going on the next farm. Yes, Val. You're doing good, man.
Yeah, man.
You plant whole heap of yam to rot. So you don't plant corn on them something there?
Me plant time, but I don't time me and take. Buy don't time.
Oh, you want to buy some corn?
Yeah, man.
So if me buy some corn, you can plant them?
Yeah, man. Me can.
Alright, don't worry yourself, man. I'm going to buy some corn for you.
Yeah.
So what else do I want to plant?
Plant don't time and the I'm a panic and me know the ayo.
Yeah.
Ayo.
Don't worry yourself, man. I'll get some things for you.
Yeah.
And get some. Oh, see, boss ready.
Yeah, man.
Alright, we go up on the next farm, see what's going on with yours. Or yourself, Val. I'll get anything you want to plant. Yeah, man. Real, man. The boss and in two security. Me no have no security, and me alone in the hills, and the boss have two security. You see it? Yes. Yeah, man. The guys are a very important guy now. Yeah, as you can see. He's very busy, you know, on his farm. We're leaving from one farm going to another. My God, and my farm I have to throw it up. Because I can't manage, you know what I mean? Yeah. Stick around, my viewers. We're going on the next farm. Yeah, to see what's going on. Make Val tell you what they go on the next farm. Him said the pot down at the next farm. So when we go down there, we're going to get a piece of the pork or a piece of the chicken. So don't worry, my viewers. You guys can get a taste. Alright? Real, man. Yes, this we call hard work, you know, and dedication, you know. Yeah, person like this now, we have to help him out in every way we can. Alright, so I'm going to give him a next closer view. Make him tell me what he need to plant. And I'm going to the store to get them for him. Yeah? So that he can do more farming because he's willing to work. He don't sit around. Alright, my viewers? So yes, we're going to the next plantation, my viewers. Alright, cool. Cool. Yes, my viewers. We're going on the next side with PACKO Mike. Alright? Otherwise known as Val. He can't go to the job site with a job letter because he don't speak the language that we speak. So we have to do our best to make sure that he's okay. Alright, my viewers? Yeah. So yes, shout out to Mr. Campbell. Yes, Sir Campbell. Big up yourself. Make sure the greenhouse alright. Lettuce them good, alright? Yeah. Jamaican family. Kendra alongside Terry. One love. And remember that it is one word. Only one word. And the word is family. Alright? I'm so very tired. Don't used to the hills and the valleys here. But we go into a next plantation of PACKO Mike. Alright? Oh, you mean, Val? Tie the lion them. Tie the lion them at the big farm this. Yeah. Alright, my viewers. As you can see, my viewers. Yeah. This is the big farm. This is a bigger farm. And look inside the farm. You know? Look inside the farm. A guy like Val. Look inside his farm. His farm is very clean. No whole heap of grass. You understand? You can see the plain dirt. Yeah, this guy is a very hard-working person. We have to do our best, you know, to make sure he's alright. He's okay, and trust me, at every plantation, there's a little house. We call it hut. That is the reason why I say Jamaican farmers hut. So trust me, here we had a hut. Yes. And I guess this is the first hut I've been to since I've been doing videos. So I think this guy deserves a price. Yeah, a price. He deserves a price. If rain is falling, he's good. Yeah. Yes, Val. Yes, Val. You have the whole park. You have a sugar cane plant.
Aye.
Yes, Val. Yes, Val. So you have all pine.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have all pine, Val.
Yeah.
PACKO Mike have all pine. Alright now, I'm going to ask you now.
Yeah.
Tell me what you need to plant now. You need corn.
Done.
Yeah, and what else?
And more any little thing.
Any little thing what can plant?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to go to the store and get some things for you, alright?
Yeah, man.
So yeah, so it's all about farming. So it's here where you cook.
Yeah, man.
When you come to the plantation.
Yeah.
My God.
Yeah, it's a me too.
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah. For your side, my viewers.
Yeah.
So the next time we be here, we're gonna come here, we're gonna put on the pot. Alright? So yes, my viewers, welcome back to the channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut, and we are here with PACKO Mike, otherwise known as Val.
Yeah.
He's very hard working.
Yeah.
Yeah, so these yam take how long to ready? About 8 months?
Yeah, man.
Okay. Yes, Val, I've been searching all morning for you, find you on the plantation.
Yeah, man.
I never know the plantation, but me know the plantation now.
Yeah.
So yes, my viewers, this is Val.
Yeah. Boy, I'm pretty.
Yeah, I'm pretty, Val. Me not lie, I'm pretty.
You're funny.
I'm pretty, Val. I don't have a bank right now.
Aye.
Because I don't plant back none, and you have so many.
Yeah.
Yes, Val. Plantation pretty, my God. Yes, Val. Plantation pretty no rotted, Val. Remember me tell you. Yeah, you plant it anywhere you catch it. Yes, my viewers. Cocoa, left man cocoa is that. As you can see. Yes, I. Don't worry yourself, Val. You're going to get some things to plant, alright?
Yeah, man.
Yes, my viewers, it's all about PACKO Mike, otherwise known as Val. If you hear me lapsing, it's because I'm so tired. Alright, yes. Up inside the hills and valleys here. Yeah. Trust me. Yes, Val. You do all the work, yeah, Val.
Yeah, man.
So, are you want to come at the plantation all the time and you just bring the dog them with you?
Yeah, man.
For security?
Yeah, man.
My God. So, when are you coming back to the plantation?
Me I come back to tomorrow.
Oh, you're coming back tomorrow?
Yeah, man.
So, like when you come tomorrow, what are you going to do?
You sit down more yam pan than a pattern, you know.
Oh, and get the yam stick them?
But you know, sit down than a pattern.
You mean we don't at the bottom?
Yeah.
Me no remember.
Me bounty, you have to do what done them.
You what?
Me bounty, you have to do what done them.
You what?
Me bounty, you have to do what done them.
You what?
Me bounty, you have to do what done them.
You what? You monkey it. Alright, if you ask. Yeah.
No, you have to do what done them.
Alright.
Come.
Alright, you have to go back down the bottom, me monkey it. That is a new word, my viewers. So try to learn those words, alright?
Hey.
Yes.
Hey.
Yeah. No, me never go down at that farm. So you have one more farm, you know, my viewers. Check out this guy, have a lot of farm, trust me. So we're going. Now we can take a cat come for me.
No, man.
Yeah. Alright, my viewers, stick around. You will see the next farm, alright? Yeah, we're going down to the next farm. Yes, my viewers, as what Val is saying. Val said he don't depend on anyone to beg anything. And if he begs someone piece of yam, he don't have to get it. So he plant his own. Alright, so tell me now. This guy is very, so person like this you have to help them out. So he said he need corn to plant and anything else that he can plant. So I'm going to the farm store. I'm going to get some things for him, alright? Yes, my viewers, it's all about farming, you know? Yeah, this guy is very proud of himself doing farming, you know? And he have that pride in him. He don't want to depend on anyone. And he's not going to beg anyone yam. He's going to plant his own yam. Alright, my viewers, we're going to our next plantation. Stick around. This is the next farm that Val working on here. Yeah, this is his farm also. And as you can see, yeah, he's doing some beautiful work here. So right now, seems like I have to buy him some more yam head. Yeah, because he have more space where he can dig more banks to plant yam. Alright. So I have to do my best to get him some stuff to plant in his plantation. As I said before, he can go to the job site with a job letter. He can go to the business place with a job letter. You know what I mean? Because he don't speak the language that we speak. So we have to do our best to make sure he's okay. So yes, my viewers, this is one more of the plantation. Yeah, Val Plantation. Otherwise known as PACKO Mike, alright? So yes, my viewers, I'm gonna get him some stuff, you know, to plant. Yeah. As you can see, red peas. He's doing well. He's doing well, as you can see. He have his pride, you know what I mean? He don't sit around. Always try to do something. Yeah, so person like this now, you make sure help them out, make them alright. Okay? Because we can go into the organization, we can go to the job site, and you know, we can earn money on the side. So it's best for we to look after him, make sure say him alright. So yes, my viewers, it's all about Val Plantation. Yeah? Yeah, man. He's coming here now. Yeah. So where you get Yamed?
Yeah. Me them buy them.
Okay.
I'm panty.
Okay, and you get some.
Yeah.
I want them could get some at the market. You think so?
Yeah, man.
I go check at the market, see if me get some yamed that you can plant. If me get some yamed, you can find more place to make bank.
Yeah, man. I mean.
Alright.
See you there, man. Yeah, man. Until I up and
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, alright. I'm gonna see what I can do to get things for you to plant.
Yeah.
So that you can plant more things.
Oh, yeah, it's a man.
Alright, he said come right, yes sir. So follow him, you know. And so me tell him I'm going to interpret him if you guys don't understand.
You see and that too.
Yeah, start grow.
Yeah.
See, the yam start grow, my people.
And see ya then that too no.
See it here again.
See See property here.
Yeah.
See that too there.
Alright. See that, my viewers?
Yeah.
Yam a grow. So Vala going good
Yeah.
on his plantation. You go right round every corner. How long you plant these yam?
Yeah, and then
How long do you plant them here?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you find me on there.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you can see.
I mean, Pete under the.
You have a next piece of ground. Oh, yeah, down the bottom. Yeah, man, I go down there too, you know. Yes, my viewers. Some yam stick here. And some yam stick here again. Yeah, man. Everywhere he find he plant something, you know what I mean? So you did get any potato out of these potato?
Yeah, man.
What you say? You go on good, Val.
Me buy me dinner no.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You find your dinner?
Yeah, man.
Oh, you mean you hear me, viewers? He said he find his dinner. So that means he's doing good. Right, if he can find his dinner, he's doing good. And that's good for a person can plant something to find his dinner. Alright, my viewers? Yeah, so red peas. You plant red peas all the time?
Yeah, man.
My God. Yes, Val, me love the farm.
Yeah, man.
Long time if you come my farm, you know, Val. Long time, you know.
Aye.
My God, but this man, me come at your house, me couldn't find you, but find you on the plantation.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, for real, Val. Jano. My God. Yes, my viewers. We dip on the farm with Val, you know? Yeah. Yes, Val. Alright, I can go back up on top, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Take the lead.
Yes, sir.
You know the place more than me.
Yeah, man.
Yes, my viewers.
Thank you, man.
Can't go more than so. You hear me, viewers? Can't go more than so. That is what Val say, you know? Can't go more than so. We have to plant.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, we have to plant. If we don't plant, we're not going to eat.
No.
Right.
Eat yam.
Right.
Yeah.
Real man. So yes, my viewers, next time coming to this plantation, we're gonna come to this plantation to do some work, jam some yam stick, and we're gonna cook a pot. Alright. That is what we're going to do the next time around. My viewers. So yes, my viewers, stick around.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. We on the plantation of PACKO Mike plantation, you know?
Yeah, brother.
Yeah.
Come on, go.
Can't go more than so, brother.
Yeah.
For real.
And you say and then come out to you.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And then a PACKO.
You got some man.
Yeah, man.
You got some man. The tiger cat.
Yeah, man.
So yeah, Val, I'm going to get something at the farm store, alright?
Yeah, man.
So that you can plant.
Yeah, man.
Cause it seems like you have more space where you can
Yeah, man. Yeah,
weed
man.
up.
Yeah, man. We can't eat no more PACKO and plant.
Alright, you can weed up some more place and plant it, my viewers. For real,
Yeah.
for real. Yeah. Yes, my viewers.
Yeah,
We're on the location with Val, you know? Alright, so stick around, my viewers. We're gonna show you what's going on. So just stick around. We don't finish as yet, alright? Yeah, man. Cheers, Val. I mean, man. Cheers. Licky buckle together. Ah! Yes, my viewers. We have to cheers, you know? Then I easier. Ah! I drink a sip no beer. Why? Crazy, insane. Mm. Yeah. Trust me. See that? See boss, eh? I mean, man, the boss, I make a drink too, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yes, I. You have viewers, we in a place and we are cool on ourselves, you know. But don't know. Yeah, man. It's all about lemon beer. Sight? Stick around. You guys soon get a drink too, you know. Seen? Seen. Yes, I. So when you come on the farm, what you cook?
We took a potato.
Who?
We took a dumpling
Oh, dumpling now. Tin mackerel.
and Tim Mackin too.
Yes, man. How you mean, man? Only way out.
Mm.
Yeah, man. Only way out, brother. When you come on the farm, you have to carry something.
Yeah.
So the next time we plan on come on the farm and cook. You hear, sir?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Anything you do, we are going to help you and work, you know?
Mm.
Yeah. For real, man. And we are going to buy something to plant at the farm. The farm store.
Yeah, man.
So yes, my viewers, as you can see.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. We have to make sure, say, Mr. Val.
Yeah,
Otherwise, PACKO Mike is alright, you know?
man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, the beer nice. Cool and refreshing.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You come in here, man. You don't put no mayo on you.
Eh? Oh, you don't put no fertilizer?
Bunny out here.
Oh, you mean you don't put no manure on it yet?
No.
Oh. So when you go put it on it?
Anytime you and then come up.
Oh, when the yam start to come up?
Yeah.
Me understand.
And then that PACKO.
Oh.
And then Tondo.
Oh. That is the time for fertilization?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that viewers learned something. Yeah. For real, when the yam them start to grow about 2 feet in the air, that is the time.
Yeah.
When he fertilize. But he call it manure.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, manure. Alright, my viewers. Alright, it's right there with the Palm Val farm. Yes, I. Next time we're coming back to the plantation, man. Whole lot things to plant, Val. Don't worry yourself.
Yeah, man.
Right, it's right there. And we're going to cook a pot, yeah, sir.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. And this time a fish with the car fish. They carry some sea fish come cook some soup.
Yeah, I mean.
Alright, when you're there upon the plantation, you have to cook soup.
Yeah, man.
Alright. For real, man. So are you going to cook going now? You can cook, sir?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Well, that's what I'm talking about. Make sure, sir, you go cook, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Don't know if I can find a next friend I can bring with me. You know, that we can do some work, help you out, you know?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yeah, man. We get a lovely rainfall. I went last night, this morning.
Yeah.
Right. Good for the farm.
Yeah, man.
Jaja, well, I can find my way back down.
Yeah, man.
What if me no last a road? Yes, I. I'll drink one more beer. That is the sound of the beer buckle. Yeah. Jano, give thanks and praise to the Most High. We're there on the plantation. This is a place that I love, you know, to sit back and relax and meditate, you know what I mean? Listen to the birds, them sing and the breeze blowing the trees, you know? Mother Nature, seeing. Yeah, man, for real. For real, man. Yes, I. Well, the next time I have to get more than one buckle, Val.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Next time I have to get more than one buckle, sir. Yeah, man, the farm nice, man. Farm nice, brother, your plant.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, once I grow, it will grow, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Once it.
Yeah,
Yeah, a peep out. Yeah, man, once you start peep out now, that is the time for them to, you know, start to grow.
Yeah, man.
Yes, my viewers, him say the yam them start to peak out. That means them just started to grow. Push out the vine. Yeah. Yes, I. Step on the plantation. But you have ackee tree here, man.
Yeah, man.
Ackee tree there to rotted on the farm. Ackee tree there, my people. Yeah? Ackee there. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, for real.
Yeah, man.
For real, man. Everything up on the farm, I saw a coconut tree,
Yeah, man.
mango tree.
Yeah, man.
So wait, when mango time, you get mango off a tree them?
Yeah, man.
Holy mother, that is my favorite fruit, you know?
Yeah, man.
Mango. How are you say? My God. Where up your son name? Bunchy?
No, man.
What up your son name?
You're not thick badan.
Where?
Thick badan. Then there.
Thick bottom?
Yeah, man.
Oh.
The bungee up to there.
Okay. Over the other side.
Yeah.
Okay.
And me
Bunchy over there.
The
Oh.
me banding.
Oh, the pine?
Yeah.
Oh, you plant them down the bottom?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, me see them. Yeah, me see them. See them, man. Your boy, you plant everything, Val.
Yeah, man.
You want to plant everything to rot. You don't leave out nothing. And you have some strong man where they walk up and down the road, they big, and them nah do nothing, they nah plant.
No, it me out there.
Boy, me I tell you to rotted. For real, man.
And then I bet a piece of yam.
And them a beg your piece of yam, true?
And that you are pata.
Yeah, for real, man. For real, to rotted. For real.
Don't you buy?
For real, man. Instead of them go plant.
Yeah.
True. Well, I did plant some yam, but from a repeat, I never plant them back.
Alright.
Get caught up. Yeah, my viewers, leaving off the farm, you know what I mean? But wonder if I'm going to last. Because I don't know this place that good. It's the first time come at this location, so I don't want to last. So I'm going to try to find my way back down to Red Hill Road. Alright, my viewers? So yes, if you want to watch the next farm video, you can watch this one here. But if not, and you don't want to watch that one, don't watch that one. Watch this one over here. Alright? So yes, my viewers, my name is Ever Slick. Peace. I'm out.